And I want to share with you an example from my practice of the case which has to do more with foreign trust rather than anything else, but it can be equally applicable to a corporate situation. My client was a beneficiary of a foreign trust. Actually, several, but it doesn't really matter. The one that we are talking about is the one where the problem appeared, and that trust, in the language, in the actual trust agreement, and let me go back a little bit. The trust was formed in the United Kingdom, so all of the documents were in English. Okay, so I received the trust agreement from the trustee, and I reviewed the trust agreement, and in that trust agreement it says that my client is entitled to all income. So income has to be distributed every year. If income has to be distributed every year, for US tax purposes, it's a simple trust. Okay. As opposed to a complex trust where a client would be entitled to only a partial income or no income, and where the trustee has a discretion in distributing that income. In the UK, those complex trusts are known as discretionary trusts. And at first, when I looked at it, I thought, okay, that's the income distribution. Income is income, right? It's a income. But then, for some reason, I started wondering, income, is it really income? What do they mean by income? It's just my experience has taught me to doubt everything, and I was right to do that, because income in the United States means all income, capital gains and ordinary income, dividends, whatever. All of that is income. In the United Kingdom, income means really ordinary income. Capital gains is a completely different category. So in reality, my initial conclusion that this trust was a simple trust was erroneous. You will ask, well, what do we care, right? Is it a simple trust or a complex trust? What do we care? Well, the problem is that if it's a simple trust, then all of the income, including capital gains, are deemed to be distributed to the client, and the client has to pay taxes on that income on his tax return. Whereas, if it is a complex trust, then we only count the income to which he's entitled as being distributed. So that ordinary income, in that case it was rental income, and that was distributed to the client. And the capital gains were kept off the tax returns. So this is a very good illustration of the linguistic uniformity trap. Doubt everything.